No, that's the Skynet people. They're afraid of what's coming. Then you have the Oh My Claude people. And to these people, AI is their salvation. AI is the thing that's going to solve all of their problems. They want to use AI for everything. Here's the funny part. They will fire up ChatGPT. They will go to their messages. They will put the messages into ChatGPT, say, I need a really good response for this. Generates it, copy, paste. You know what the response was? Yep, see you tomorrow. They are spending so much time trying to find a way to use AI into everything, and they're doing it inefficiently. They're doing it because they think this is the right way. I have to use AI. My boss says I have to use AI. If I don't use AI, I'm going to become obsolete. But they're using it the wrong way. They're playing with it, and they're trying to make it, thank you, into something that it was never really supposed to be. Now, somewhere in the middle is where that gap lives. And that's the strategic implementers. What they know is that AI is both an opportunity and a threat. It is not good. It is not evil. You cannot just buy a ChatGPT license and you're going to make $1 million next week. It is a tool, just like electricity is something that we use to, to utility. The internet, your car. You can use your car to drive to work, or you can use it to run over your ex-wife. Please don't do that. But you can't just sit there, pick a side, and say, well, I'm going to hunker down and this is where I'm going to make my stand. Somewhere in the middle is the truth.